Hi guys, welcome back to on my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you 2 ways to know if someone is online on Instagram. So if you would like to know if someone is online on Instagram because, for example, they are ghosting you or whatsoever, there are a few ways to find out. But first, let's hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. So let's hop onto Instagram and I will show you the first and best option. So what you're gonna do is you click on messages in the right top corner. Here you go. And as you can see, there are 2 messages in my primary inbox. It says from Dreamy Lines 2 minutes, and above it says 1 minute. That means they were online 2 minutes ago. So if this says 4 hours ago, it means that that person was online 4 hours ago. But if you want to see this, you have to put this option on for yourself. So make sure you have this feature on. If you have this turned off, you can't see it from anyone else. And anyone who has a green dot behind his name, which you can't see right now, but it has a green dot behind of next to the photo and the name, it means they are online right now. So let's make sure you have this feature on. Just go to your profile. I'm going back the right button, and you tap on the 3 lines over here. Let's go. Now let's hop onto settings, tap on privacy, and click on activity status almost below. So here you can see it's turned on. Some people have turned this off, and there's no way you can track when they are online. But let's make sure you have this on. So the other way you can do it is you can tap on your home button over here. And you can tap and you can add a video or a photo to hit the arrow. So you're going to your story and you're going to click on a photo. Let's make for short this one. And if you click on the arrow right here, the photo will go through to your stories. And once you do that, they can go to the stories. You share it to your stories. Once you do that, people can go to your stories and view it. And also you can tap on your own story and see who viewed it. So if they watched it, it is a good indication that they are online or have been online. I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, just let me know.